Hello everyone. In last session we talked about singly linked list. Now here I'm going to show you the demonstration of creating a singly linked list um, in C program. Okay, so let's begin. Here I'm giving name to my I'm using structure concept. Okay, and I'm giving name to my linked list as SLL, that is singly linked list. Okay, now I know that we have two part in my linked list node, that is data part and the next pointer. So in singly linked list, the pointer field points to the same node, right? So that's why it is self-referential node. So that's why I have created int data and struct singly linked list next pointer. Okay, now let's begin with our main function. Okay, and now we are going to create a singly linked list node number one. So struct SLL start node 1. Okay, now along with that also I am going to create one more node, that is SLL start node 2. Okay, now when we create a node, we need to allocate memory to that node. Fine. So that memory allocation can be done by using a malloc function. So that can be done like this: node 1 equal to struct SLL star, then name of the function malloc, and then we are allocating memory that is equal to the memory required for a single node of the singly linked list. Okay, so this is assigning memory to node 1. Similar to that, we are also going to assign memory to node 2, but before that we will change the value of the node 1 data as 20, and then we will allocate memory to node 2. Okay, and that can be done like this by using same malloc function and assigning same memory that is required for a single node of the singly linked list. Okay, now node 2 data part will contain the value 40. Okay, now the most important thing is here that the node 1 is our node 1 and node 2 is second node. So node 1's next should contain the address of the second node. So the node 1's next should contain the address of the node 2. So we are assigning the value node 2, that means address of the node 2. Okay, and now I'm not going to run this program, but I'm just going to execute it line by line, and we are going to observe some variables. That is, we are going to focus on the watch window where we are going to focus on the node 1, then contain what node 1 is pointing, then node 2 the address, and what node 2 is pointing, initially what it is pointing. Okay, so let's save the program. Everything is okay. Now I'm compiling by using F8 line by line. Observe carefully. The new node 1 is created and memory is allocated to node 1. Okay, node 2 is now not yet created. So you can observe here node 1 element, node 1 address is 04D4. Okay, here you can observe this. Okay, and node 1 contains 20, that is data, node 1 data 20, and address 04DC. Currently it is showing this garbage value. Okay, now when node 2 memory is allocated, then its address is DS04DC. So node 2 address will get in the node 1's address. Okay, so node 1's next part. So see here 04DC of node 2 is assigned here. Okay, and node 2's next will contain the null value. Okay, so that is what the creating a singly linked list with two nodes.